Rafael presents the SPYDER family of air defense systems, providing an effective web of protection against a wide spectrum of airborne threats. The SPYDER-SR is a short-range mobile air defense system, rapidly deployable and ready to fire, featuring all-weather operation. The SR battery includes missile firing units, a command and control unit, Python 5 IIR and iDerby RF missiles, a missile supply vehicle, and a field service vehicle. Like its SR counterpart, the SPYDER-MR air defense system offers high mobility and rapid response. It can also be equipped with a top-light autonomous electro-optical sensor. The SPYDER-MR battery includes missile firing units, a command and control unit, Python 5 IIR and iDerby RF missiles plus boosters, a radar unit, a missile supply vehicle, and a field service vehicle. Each CCU is capable of controlling up to 6 missile firing units. The SPYDER systems effectively protect population centers, strategic sites, and valued assets. The systems can also provide protection from mobile forces, roads, and strategic points. The SPYDER-SR and MR are fully compatible. In combination, they enable effective airport or airbase protection. There is no escape from the SPYDER's web. The same missiles can be used for air-to-air applications. The SPYDER systems are already operational with several armed forces. These are the advantages they offer: fire and forget or target update capabilities, all-weather operations, IIR RF missiles, lock-on before or after launch, and combat-proven. The combination of 2 missile types enables effective use against even the smallest evasive targets. The SPYDER family of air defense systems, providing a tight-knit web of protection. From which there is no escape.